human actions are harming species and their ecosystems, and why this matters to all of us. Drivers of exploitation. Humans' desire for exotic animals, plants, or their product is amplified by first, modern transportation, advanced communication, global economic technologies. This has led to widespread exploitation of both animal and plant species with severe ecological consequences. Our desire for exotic pets, rare products, or valuable resources has grown easier to act on because of modern tech, faster transport, global communication, and economic systems that connect us across borders. But this convenience comes at a huge cost of nature. So when we talk about animal exploitation, there are two big issues. First is the exotic pets. Primates, monkeys, big cats, birds, parrots, and other species are taken from wild habitats. This hurts them from their families and habitats. Second is body parts for trade. Animals being killed for horns, elephant tusks, pelts, tigers, and more. All for profit. Every time a species is lost or harmed, it throws off the balance of its ecosystem, and many of these animals are now at risk of disappearing forever. So plants are safe either. We call this direct harvesting. So what is direct harvesting? Removal of plants from ecosystems for economic value with no consideration for ecological impacts. So examples, forest trees harvested from mountains for lumber, leading to degradation and soil erosion. Second, exotic hardwoods extracted from tropical rainforests worldwide. Consequences, reduced biodiversity in habitats, destruction of entire ecosystems, example, mountain and rainforest habitats. Thank you.